Alright, we're good. I'm just gonna hold it right here when I go. I'll try anyway.
I'll try to get some shifting and get the shift light and stuff.
Where, like down here?
Oh, you'll see it. It's bright. What's going on? 3 bikes now?
Oh, you got a kill switch down there too, eh?
Yeah.
Should I keep filming? How much film you got?
Yeah, I got all kinds.
Okay, well, that's it.
Fuck, 2 bikes? Fuck you.
Here, I'm gonna go.
Because they're fucking gay.
Fuck bikes are awesome, man.
Run down the drag strip, take 1.
The Jigmobile.
The Jigmobile. Just put fucking people in the back seat for traction, man. All right.
What are you racing against here?
Racer.
Racer. Alright, here we go. Jig's gonna light her up.
Nice. Oops. A little farther. Oops.
My head hit the ceiling. That was a pretty good run, eh? You think?
That is pretty good.
Like compared to your other ones, what do you think?
Didn't spin much.